little adventurous. So today I'm going to share with you a difference between a searchable filter and a non-searchable filter. Like in searchable filter, you can search by name so that you can filter it out. So like if you list out, so here all the names are there. So if I am searching with SI, then it will show only the SI spelling is there in each name. Only 3 are there. This is in a searchable filter. If in non-searchable filter, if you have a list of peoples and if I search as SI, it will not filter it out. So how we can do this filter and non-filter? Let's see. So I have a data here. So now I need to filter it in sheet number 1. So what we need to do is first come to the second sheet where your list of client name, everything is appearing there. So come to the first row, first column before the name. So first you need to put a search formula, select a text where you want to search. So you are searching from here, right? So select this text and lock this cell, comma, within text means which table. So like we want from client name table, we want that name field to appear. So I will lock this and you can close the bracket, press enter. So now here we didn't mention anything, client name is blank, right? So blank means everything will appear here, so it will show the number of 1. But if I mention here as, for example, SI, then here you can see only which one having SI, so it will show it's where the SI number is there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7th number starting as SI, and here 9th number starting as SI, and here SI is starting at the beginning. So like that it will show. So for that what we need to do is come to the formula, you can put as is number, come to the end and close the bracket, the center. So if it is having number, it will show as true, or else it will false. Where the number was there, true, true and true, remaining all comes false. But we don't want true or false, we want a number. So what we can do is come here, put if function, then come to the end, press comma, it is showing that value is true. If true, it should be 1, and if false, then it should be 0. Close the bracket, press enter. So now you drag it out to where all true are there, so it will show as 1, and remaining will come as 0. But to filter it out, what we need to do is we need to make a ranking system, like 1, after that again if another number is there, then it should be come to as 2, and then the 3, like that it should come. For that what we need to do, come to the first cell, go here where we put as 1, right? Remove that 1, put a formula as max. So what you need to do is select the one column, one row before that number, and put colon and lock the first one, only first alphabet and numerical there, right? So you can lock this and then come to the end, close the bracket, +1, so that it will add one number extra to the column. So if we drag that where and all numbers are there, it will repeat with 1 plus 2 and 3, like that. So if I change this SI to RA, then you can see RA 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, total 8 RAs are there. So like that it will give the count. Okay, after that what we need to do, come to this right side of your column. Here first you need to put a rows. Click on the client name, the cell where your names are there, so which one you want to search, right? So you click on that and put colon, it will select. So in that, lock the first one, select this and press F4, it will get locked, and close the bracket, press enter. So it will give us a count, like from here to here total 19 rows are there. So we have mentioned the names in 19 rows. So if we didn't lock this one, so it will give us a 1 1 1 1 1 for every row. Okay, so that you need to lock first one, and then if you go to the second one, so from here to here 2 row, from here to here 3 row, like that it will count this count. Now what we need to do, so using this rows we want VLOOKUP, because we don't want a number to appear here, we want the name which are repeating, so which we searched, right? So those only come and appear here. For that we are looking VLOOKUP. What VLOOKUP will do is, for lookup value we are taking a row formulas, like how many which row will come here, so that if that row number is appearing here, then it will show a name. So for that, table array from here to here we have taken, so lock this, comma, column index number. So we want name to be appear here, so column name is in second column, so put sec2 and you can exact match, then press enter. So here which and all numbers are appearing, right? So like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so total 8 numbers here. If you see, row numbers are repeating, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so those 8 numbers are coming here. So now what we need to do, we don't want these errors and all, not applicable. So come here, put if error, go to the end, put comma, double column, close, enter. Now drag this formula till down, so all the errors will go out, only names which are searched in first shape. So here we put raw, right? So where and all raws are there, so those will come here. Now last formula, that is equal to offset. Offset is for to get a list of only list of data which are appearing here, right? So for that reference you need to select only first row and lock that cell, comma, rows no need to mention the row, put comma, put columns also no need to mention, you can put comma. For height we need to put a countif formula. In countif range we need to select this one where the list are appearing, right? So where we put as a VLOOKUP formula, so to get the list, only the list of people whose names are appearing with the search. So we are selecting this and you can lock this, comma. For criteria, in this entire column you need to show only the text. For that what we need to do, put double inverted comma, question mark and star. Question mark and star will show that if in that particular cell any text are available or not. Okay, so you can close the bracket and press again, close the bracket for width and press enter. Now click on this, copy this formula, come to the end, press enter. Now click on any any of the cell, then go to Formulas tab, click on Name Manager, click on New. So give it a name of your formula. For example, I will give it as search formula. While giving the name, don't give any space in between the two names. Okay, and here in refers to, remove this one and paste what we copied, that formula. Once you paste that, click OK. So if I click here in the formula, it will highlight these rows, like how many, only rows which containing data. So if I go here and change it as SI, only 3 should come, right? So if 3's are appearing, so if I go here and search formula, and if I click here, it will show only 3, right? So that's why we are using this offset formula. So this offset formula will help us to only select the required data. So we want only 3, right, while we are searching, so it will come here. So now what we need to do, go to the first sheet, click here, remove this everything, then go to data validation. You can go to error alert. In error alert, you can untick this one, show error alert, so that when you are searching in the short forms, so it will not show error. And go to settings, click on drop down, select the list. Here in the source column, once you click on that, press F3. Once you press F3, it will show the list of formula names which we created. So now we created search formula. So I will select this and click on OK. Once you click on selected that formula, click on OK. Now we didn't mention anything, so every names are coming here. But if I mention as SI, only 3 names are appearing here. If I mention as RA, only RA, only names which are having RA. Okay, so hope you got this logic. The formulas are 3 to 4 formulas we need to mix it up. So in the latest version of Excel, in the license version, so there will be a easy formulas, so that will within 2 to 3 2 formula we can make a searchable filtration also. So this is for the who are using the older versions or who are not purchased the license version. So for them, so this is the trick where you can do a searchable filter. So hope you understand the trick, and if you have any doubt, so you can mention that in the comment box. So I will look into that and I will try to respond to that comment. So thank you so much. Like, share and subscribe to the channel Excel Adventurous. Thank you. Bye bye.